unknown, into the fear and the darkness that rips you apart. Reach deep into explosions of chaos, into the mess all around you that tears at your heart. Reach deep, find connection, have faith you'll uncover the strength to rise above. Reach deep, search for meaning, answers, grace, acknowledgement, and love, 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 love. Reach deep into your trauma. There's no point in trying to hide from it, 'cause there's nowhere to go. Reach deep, it's time to stop running and time to start living your life. I know that you know. Reach deep, and maybe you'll see that underneath all that pain is a world you're dreaming of. Reach deep, and you'll find healing, salvation, validation, and maybe even love, 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 love. Release what no longer serves you. Embrace what makes you strong.